Introducing Made for Millions, the workshop. You asked and I'm delivering. So many of you want me to bring Made for Millions to your city. So what I've decided to do is literally bring more intimate, personalized workshops to a city near you. Now, this is not going to be 500 people and it's not going to be me spraying $10,000 cash at you. But believe you me when I say the codes, the wisdom, the teach pieces, the manifestation tools, the value that you'll receive is going to far exceed $10,000. So this is you and me together for a full day, live, intimate, personalized workshop where you're going to get the same codes, activations, teach pieces, advanced manifestation tools. And I've been working with my money guides too. And what's coming through is some next level quantum money and manifestation tools that I'm so excited to teach for the very first time. So you know what to do. Get your ticket, get yourself in the room because these tickets are going to sell out really fast. We're going to max out the rooms at around 50 people. Click that link below, get your ticket, and I'm going to see you real soon, beautiful soul.